Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sync tabs across devices in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically displays either your Google account picture or a simple avatar. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Your Account in Chrome. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your Chrome settings and preferences. This section is essential because it controls how your browsing data syncs across all your devices, ensuring that your tabs, bookmarks, and history are always accessible no matter which device you're using. Once you're on this page, you'll see your profile information displayed. Click on your profile to access the detailed sync settings. This is where you can customize exactly what Chrome syncs between your devices, giving you full control over your browsing experience across multiple platforms. Now take a moment to ensure that the sync feature is turned on. This is crucial because without sync enabled, none of your browsing data will transfer between devices. You should see a toggle or switch indicating whether sync is active. If it's off, simply click it to enable synchronization. This ensures that all your Chrome data starts syncing immediately. Next, scroll through the sync settings until you see the option for history and tabs. This specific setting controls whether your browsing history and open tabs are shared across all your devices. It's incredibly useful when you start browsing on your phone and want to continue on your laptop, or vice versa. Locate the toggle button beside history and tabs, and click it to turn it on. Once activated, this feature will automatically sync all your open tabs and browsing history across every device where you're signed into Chrome. And that's it. Your tabs will now sync seamlessly across all your devices, making it easy to pick up right where you left off no matter which device you're using. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.